FavePay is one of the most convenient digital payment platforms in Nigeria, allowing seamless payments, transfers, and linking of cards for maximum flexibility. Choosing the best credit card to link to FavePay can enhance your experience, giving you cashback, rewards, and smooth transactions. The first option is the GT Bank Visa Platinum Credit Card. This card offers competitive rewards, with up to 1.5% cashback on all purchases. Linking this card to FavePay allows you to pay bills, recharge airtime, and shop online effortlessly. The bank's robust security features also ensure that every transaction through FavePay is protected, reducing the risk of unauthorized access or fraud. Another strong contender is the Access Bank Diamond Credit Card. This card is designed for users who spend frequently online, offering rewards points for every transaction. When linked to FavePay, the points accumulate faster because every payment is recorded instantly, making it easier to redeem them for discounts, flights, or shopping. Access Bank also provides a high daily transaction limit, which is perfect for power users who manage multiple payments in a single day. The Stanbic IBTC MasterCard Gold Credit Card is also worth considering. It combines convenience and rewards, with up to 2% cashback on selected categories. When used with FavePay, it enables quick payments for services like utilities, shopping, and subscriptions. Stanbic IBTC also offers excellent customer support, ensuring any payment issues are resolved promptly. Finally, the UBA Visa Infinite Credit Card stands out for premium users. It offers extensive reward options, travel benefits, and purchase protection. Linking this card to FavePay ensures your transactions are seamless and secure, while allowing you to maximize benefits on every payment. In conclusion, the best FavePay credit card depends on your spending habits and reward preferences. GT Bank Visa Platinum, Access Bank Diamond, Stanbic IBTC Gold, and UBA Visa Infinite are all excellent options, offering a mix of cashback, rewards, and security that elevate your FavePay experience.